Because I can only
Right
see
now,
there you
we're
go.
looking for this spot.
What are we going to find at the spot, Solomon?
That's a secret. We can't tell y'all what's going down at the spot. But
Can't tell us so.
we're going to look for a spot because
We need one.
we have to think about some things first. Have to do a little meditation because we're getting ready to go into a casting call. So we have to make sure that we are clear and understanding of what's about to go down. What's about to go down Friday.
Look how fast Solomon be walking. Goodness gracious.
All I do is walk and run.
Walk and run.
I don't even lift weight.
Tell them about that bag. Tell them about that bag that pissed you off, that you run with on your back.
I paid $75 for this bag, and it broke. And I ain't buying that bag no more. I'm calling the company.
Are you really?
We're
getting
off task.
We're getting off task.
Come on, people. See the nice greenery. Not the greenery. the nice scenery. The nice scenery.
You said nice greenery.
What we gonna do? Look at this.
We're gonna be.
We can just cut through this right there. You might say, no, I'm about to show you. Exactly.
Wait a minute.
Come on, y'all. Nature trail. Y'all, you having too much fun. Come on, nature walk.